Here I have iPad Air 5th generation, and today I'm going to show you how to switch on or off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the camera section, and here you can mirror front camera. So for example, let's take one photo like this and another one with this feature disabled. And as you can notice, these both photos are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.